Okay, everyone. Good day. It's the 29th of March. Trying to get the sunset. Excuse me. Sorry, I'm just running up this hill. I wanted to stop and get this because the sun was so large. And look who we got here, the GO train. I wonder if they're gonna go. Sorry. That goes to Toronto. Let's see if it goes. Sorry. Hurry up, GO train. Let's see some action here. Train station's down there. Let's see if he'll come. Let's go, baby. What are they waiting for? This is pretty cool. I wonder how old this railway system is. Where's that sun again? Oh, you peeking in. Okay, I guess this guy's not leaving anytime soon. Oh, spoke too soon. Did you loosen up? Oh, ding, ding, ding. Nice. I guess the bells were for me.